Hi all, I just want to give a quick overview guide on our random number generator wheel here. As you can see, by default it's set up with 15 segments currently, and to start off with, if you want to add any more to that, you can do so by simply adding into the entry box. We have got a full guide in text format just below the wheel on how to pretty much do everything I'm taking you through in this video, but towards the bottom here you've got some pre-populated configurations already done for you, so just click on one of them and it will go to a wheel pre-populated with them numbers. Some of the key settings on this wheel to start off with, some users find they want to shuffle the order, so you can do so by just simply clicking on this button here. Some people want to keep tabs on the results, and you can do that within this tab here. So if I start spinning, you can see this entry is now shown here, and then every time a number is generated, it will show in this results box here, and you can clear this at any point. Going over to the right hand side here, the settings. First off, you can actually hide the settings if you want a more of a cleaner interface here. You can hide the settings, and equally you can show them by clicking on this button. If you do have any duplicates on a wheel, so for example, say you're copying and pasting from a list of numbers and you have a load of duplicates, if you just click on this toggle here, it will take all them duplicates out automatically for you. If you would like a slower spin to the default speed, you can click on the slow spin and you can see that slows it down for you. By default, you can see these features here. We've got the confetti kind of coming down. Equally, you can turn the confetti off. By default, we've turned the applause off, but if you'd like an applause as a number is selected, you can click on that and you'll find that when a number is selected, you get an applause sound. You can change the volume of the applause and indeed the ticking with this slider here, and you can also change the spin time of the wheel to a maximum of 60 seconds and to a minimum here of 1 second, as you can see here. Now you can see by default here it says the number selected is. We can change that word or words that are used in this instance here, but we can also remove the selections from the wheel if you're got a user case whereby you want to take out numbers that are already picked. You can literally do that by clicking on the remove button here, and as you can see there, number 7 has been taken out of the wheel. Under the more settings tab, that's where you see that message. So you can change this to whatever message you want. And then every time you spin the wheel, that new message will then show. You've got some more settings as well in the more settings tab, whereby you can change the color of the wheel segments. So if you're not liking a particular color, you can change them to your requirements. And equally, if you would like to actually upload a background image for the wheel, you can do so, maybe add a little bit of fun to it. You can literally select here a particular image. In this instance, I've got a picture of a Chinese takeout and I want to decide how many dishes I'm going to add to my feast. You can add this image from your device and then click on this toggle switch to actually add the image to the background. As always, thank you for using Names and Will, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please do get in contact.